The two minarets of Ahmedabad railway station. These little unknown minarets located at Ahmedabad railway station on platform number 1. Built in mid-15th or late 15th century in the reign of Sultan Mahmud Begadha, is the only one minarets in Ahmedabad that is built of bricks. All the others minarets made of sandstone. These minarets are tallest in all others minarets of Ahmedabad. A small doorway cut into minarets and built spiral staircase to go top of the minaret. The staircase was quite narrow. Minarets are decorated by modify of flowers and geometrical pattern in horizontal. There is a masjid with the minarets, but now it was not exists. Looking to a construction of the minarets, I believe that masjid was built in big scale.